Dear student, I am Sonali Gotraj from Computer Department. In today's session, we will discuss about data structure. We are cover all about this 6 topic. First, what is data structure? Second, type of data structure. Third, linear data structure and non-linear data structure. Fourth is static data structure. Fifth is dynamic data structure. Or 6. Classification of static and dynamic data structure. So let's start. In today's session, we will discuss about data structure. Means that what is data structure or different type of data structure. So let's start. What is data structure? The data structure name indicate itself that organize the data in memory. There are many ways of organize the data in memory, as we have already seen one of the data structure, that is array in C language. Array is a collection of memory element in which data is stored sequentially, that is one after another. In other words, we can say that array store the element in a sequential manner. This is organization of data is done with the help of array of data structure. There are also other way to organize the data in memory. Let's see the different type of data structure. The data structure is not any programming language like C, C++, Java. It is a set of algorithm that we can use in any programming language to structure the data in the memory. To structure the data in memory, n number of algorithms were proposed and all the algorithms are known as a abstract data type. These abstract data type are the set of rules. This is a diagram of data structure. There are total 3 stages. First stage show the algorithm. In the next stage, that means second stage, abstract data type, and last stage is set of rules. This is a diagram of different type of data structure. Data structure divided into 2 types, primitive data structure and non-primitive data structure. Primitive data structure divided into 4 types. First is integer, float, character and pointer. Second is non-primitive data type. There is divided into 3 parts. First is array, list and files. List also divided in 2 parts, linear list and non-linear list. Linear list divided into another 2 parts, stack and queue. Non-linear list also divided into 2 types. First is graphs and second is trees. Type of data structure. There are 2 types of data structure. First is primitive data structure and second is non-primitive data structure. We can see the first data type, that is primitive data structure. The primitive data structure are primitive data types. The int, character, float and pointer are primitive data structure that can hold the single value. We can see the next data type, that is non-primitive data structure. The non-primitive data structure is divided into 2 types. First is linear data structure and second is non-linear data structure. This is the first type of non-primitive data structure, that is linear data structure. The arrangement of data in sequential manner is known as a linear data structure. Second, the data structure used for purpose are array, linked list, stack and queues. Third, in this data structure, one element is connected to only one another element in a linear form. This is the second type of non-primitive data structure, that is non-linear data structure. When one element is connected to the n number of elements known as a non-linear data structure. The best example is a tree and graphs. In this case, the elements are arranged in a random manner. Data structure can also be classified as a static data structure and dynamic data structure. First we can see the static data structure. It is a type of data structure where the size is allocated at the compile time. Therefore, the maximum size is fixed. Second type is dynamic data structure. It is a type of data structure where the size is allocated at a runtime. Therefore, the maximum size is flexible. Classification of static data structure and dynamic data structure. In static data structure, inefficient as a memory is allocated that may not be needed. In dynamic data structure, efficient as amount of memory vary as needed. Second, in a static data structure, fast access to the data as a memory location is fixed when the program is written. Second, in dynamic data structure, slower access to element as a memory location is allocated at a runtime. Third, in static data structure, memory allocation will also sequential, which is increase the access speed. Third, dynamic data structure, memory access are usually fragmented, which reduce access speed. Fourth, in static data structure, structure are a fixed size which make them easy and predictable to work with. Dynamic data structure vary in size, so it is harder to find the length. Fifth, the relation between the different bit of data does not change. In dynamic data structure, the relation between element of data will change as a program is run. 6. In static data structure, only use a couple of pointers, so it can less memory for large structure, so if all location are used. Dynamic data structure use a lot of more pointer than a static structure, so can be insufficient in the same cases. This is an example of static data and dynamic data. In static data, include elements, pieces and phases. There are separate part and fixed size. Dynamic data figure show the result and condition. There are dynamically changed. Static data structure has fixed memory size, where in dynamic data structure the size can be randomly updated during runtime, which may be considered efficient with respect to memory complexity of the code. Static data structure provide the more easier access to element with respect of dynamic structure. Static data structure, data type size is fixed. In static data structure use stack, there is no memory reuse and overflow is not possible. And dynamic data structure, there is use heap, more efficient, memory reusable, overflow access, data type size is not fixed. In static data structure, the size of data structure is fixed. The content of data structure can be modified, but without changing the memory space allocated to it. In dynamic data structure, the size of data structure is not fixed and can be modified during the operation performed on it. Dynamic data structure are designed to facilitate change the data structure in the runtime. Example of static data structure is array, and dynamic data structure example of linked list.